Stuart Matola, relationship coach. I'm here in Barcelona at the Correos building, showing you some of the space where I'm at. Beautiful plaza behind me. And I want to talk to you in this video about how you may have acclimated to a shitty relationship. And you may be thinking to yourself, yeah, I want more sex, I want more trust, I want my wife to get off my back, I want things to calm down, I want more peace in my marriage or relationship, I want there to just be more harmony. So if you're wanting that, I'm going to give you something in this video that's going to help you with that, so hang out. So I want to talk to you first again about how we acclimate to a shitty circumstance in our relationship. We're not even aware that we're doing it, that we're choosing safety over aliveness. And I had a client recently, and I'm going to call him Bob for confidentiality reasons. He was choosing a sexless marriage, and he wasn't even aware that he was choosing it until it got to the breaking point. Now, the beauty of the breaking point and challenge and struggle and things getting really bad is it motivates your ass into action. And so in Bob's case, we started talking, he became a client of mine, and it was, yeah, man, she withholds physical touch, affection, intimacy. I even go to try to hug her and she'll like pull away, and I'm thinking, what the hell, do I smell? Is there a problem here? And so, he had tried to talk to her about it once or twice, even as far back as 6 months prior to when we began talking. And he said it just made things worse. So he's like, I just gave up. I just figured, when it happens, it'll happen. Now, the thing is, he was willing to acclimate to that shitty situation. He chose safety. So I said to him, well, what if you choose to just go after what you want? He's like, well, I've tried, and that hasn't worked. And he told me how he tried in the past. He said to his wife, listen, you withhold sex, you withhold intimacy. I try to hug you, and you pull away. I can't live like this, sweetie. You need to open up. Now, he was saying a lot of yous there. How does that land on you if you were told, yeah, you don't do this, you don't do that, you don't do this? Well, suddenly you feel like you're 6 years old and your mother's scolding you. Yeah, you're not going to like that either. So we did a flip. And I said, dude, start using I statements. He's like, what the hell's that? I said, you speak in the I. The pronoun, first person, I. Sweetie, I love you. I want to be with you. I have chosen you as my wife. I am married to you. I want to be closer to you. I want to be more connected. I want to experience more intimacy with you, more touch, more love. What do I need to do to get that from you? How can we be a better us? Okay, and how can I contribute to that? So suddenly he was like, yeah, I can do that. If it's that simple, I'll do that. So the next week he went and did that. And we came back and we spoke, and I said, how'd it go, Bob? He said, a lot better than I thought. She first off said she felt like very enlivened by how enlivened I got when I talked about what I wanted. And, then I asked her what she wanted and how, I could help her give me that. You know what she said? I'll tell you what she said. She said, start telling me more about what you want and less about who I am not being. He was like, well, that's easy enough. And so over the course of 3 to 4 weeks, he switched into going after what he wanted and speaking that. And he became much sexier to his wife instead of just, you don't do this, you don't do that. And that was a simple flip that Bob did. And I want to encourage you to do that as well. Do you have one area in your relationship right now where you're withholding and you're not speaking your truth and you've acclimated to a shitty circumstance in your marriage or relationship? Because if you have, brother, you deserve much better than that. So go after it. Start speaking what you want, but use responsible, wise strategies. Okay? Requests will get you what you want. Complaints will just rub her the wrong way and keep you in a situation where you're acclimating to a shitty relationship. So thanks so much for watching. If you dug this, please like or follow me on this platform, or if you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to the lower right and click that little bell to get weekly notifications when I go live on these. Have a kick-ass day.